Well, hello folks, this is Rebel Scoutmaster again, commuting on the way home. We're going to try this again. This is probably the second or third time I've tried with this microphone to get it where it sounds pretty decent, but hadn't found anything just quite yet that works. Hopefully it'll be pretty decent sound and not too bad. Got some parts coming in for the bike. Put some new levers on and some bar risers. Maybe I can get straightened up a little bit. Trying everything I can so that I don't have to replace the bars. So got some new content for that coming. Hope to start at least a 1 or 2 time a week commute vlog. Just talk about what's going on. We'll see if that actually works. But like I said, hopefully the audio's in pretty good shape, not too bad. Some load resistors sent to me by Combustion Industries for the tail light housing that I had put on. So I'll have to do another install on that, where I install those so I don't have the hyper flash. Makes me kind of nervous. These lights are so small, even though they're real bright. I always watch out my rear view mirror. Make sure that people aren't creeping on me. Going to go on a rave a little bit about my Atlas throttle lock. I know several people have got them. I know a bunch of people watched a lot of videos on people that have had them, but I'll tell you what, just to be able to do like that and set it and forget it, it's nice. I don't want to say set it and forget it, but pretty much set it and forget it. Set it and let go. rest that arm for a little while, or rest both arms. Mash the little X button there and it turns back off. Yeah, so this property is about 225 miles from where I live. So, you know, good couple hour trip. Takes several hours down the Natchez Trace to get there. It's real scenic. Used to do a lot of hunting up there when I was a kid. I think that would be a lot of fun. Go up there and camp for the night and then come back next day, or stay for a day or two, or who knows. It'd be a lot of fun. To avoid buying a new GoPro. This is an old GoPro, it's GoPro Hero 3 Silver. I think the batteries are just about at it, because they don't only last about an hour before they start to die. As much as I'd like to buy a new one, I don't really want to spend that much money on one. But got my name, Rebel Scoutmaster, so I am a Scoutmaster. And not real good with coming up any fancy names or anything crazy like that, so Rebel Scoutmaster it is. Some people say, oh, you should change your name. Well, I'm not going to change the world, so it is what it is. Shame on those people who give scouting a bad name. Whoever you are. Quad lock, the Atlas throttle lock, I can just get where I want to go and set it, and that's it. Just set it and forget it. Well guys, this is pretty much my commute, so I'm going to turn off up here and catch y'all on the next one.